I'm Dan Romanek, and I am the sales manager for the Wastewater business unit at MDG. So right now with ferric chloride, it is difficult to get and it's expensive to get. So basically the producers of ferric chloride have had shutdowns or delays in production. So they can't make it and make enough to meet the demand. So these smaller wastewater treatment plants and even medium-sized wastewater treatment plants, both municipal and industrial, the applications that they were using ferric chloride in, they can't get ferric chloride anymore. Well, there's lots of different replacements, but we're getting distribution partners that are asking us, if there's anything that we can do. And it boils down to two main things, right? And it's where ferric chloride is used. So one is going to be, it is used for hydrogen sulfide. And that can be hydrogen sulfide control in an anaerobic digester, in an aerobic sludge digester, in collection systems, force mains, and lift stations as a sulfur binder. We normally eat H2S. We have lots of applications where we do H2S abatement. We recently just did a webinar on H2S abatement. We are a good economic, and in a lot of ways better technology for hydrogen sulfide control. So if you have someone who's using ferric chloride for hydrogen sulfide control and is looking for alternatives, we are a great alternative that we'd love to support you on. So another application for ferric chloride in wastewater systems that Biotifics could potentially help with is settling in secondary clarifiers. So I'm being a little specific there. Obviously ferric chloride is used as a settling aid and a precipitant in primary, secondary, whatever clarification. But secondary clarification for biological waste activated sludge systems, if they're using ferric chloride as a settling aid, we should be able to come in, survey that system, treat it, and help improve the settling in that system as an alternative to just using ferric chloride. So it is an easy switch, and it's one we can implement really quickly. It's one that their customers can implement really quickly because ferric chloride systems at a decent sized wastewater plant, it's larger volumes. The smallest there's going to be is drums. A lot of it's going to be bulk tank. And if you're looking for alternative chemistries, a lot of those are going to be bulk tank as well, and you're not just going to be able to do the old switcheroo on it. So with bioaugmentation, specifically the Biotifics products, we're pretty low footprint. Even if we're changing out for one of our liquids, like our Biotifics Liquid Max, you're going to have a 55-gallon drum at most, maybe a tote at most is all you're going to be using. So it's going to be small footprint, small peristaltic pump, minimal capital investment. We have those products in inventory ready to go. We have tech service ready to help you verify what the best treatment method would be for that application. The simplest thing that I would say is if you know your customers are using ferric chloride for hydrogen sulfide, for secondary clarification, give a call into your MDG rep. Our technical service or sales reps will be happy to figure out if it's something that we can help you with and help your customers.